What's up, everybody? So I have another tutorial video about how to make a round face cam, and this can be used for interview videos, gaming videos, whatever video you want, and it's pretty simple. So for example, we're going to use this MMA fight with a man and woman, and yeah, it sounds crazy, doesn't it? Well, the fight was even crazier. But let me take this sensor off because there was no blood. She's good. She survived. He survived. So first off, you're gonna go over here in your visual effects and you're gonna look for image mask. That's pretty much the only thing you need for this right now. So the image mask effect is gonna help us change the shape of the face cam. So we're gonna put it on our face cam video. Next, we're gonna get over here. As you can see, we have the image mask up top, and for shape, we're gonna pick the shape now. So in order to find the shape, we're gonna go over here into our generator. I'm just gonna type in shape, and I'm gonna get this. As you can see, we got the round thing right there. The circle over here, which we're gonna use for the image mask. So we're gonna go back over here, we're gonna press this, and we're gonna look for the shape that we wanna use. At this point, we're pretty much done. We just gotta press apply clip. And then if your image mask is off, like it is for me, I'm just gonna turn it back on and we got what we want. So boom, there you have it. Boom, boom, and there we have it. And you go back and forth, you can turn it on. And if you wanna transform it, you can do that too. And you can move it around anywhere you want. It can be right here and it'll still be fine. Or you can move it down below, still be fine. And yeah, that's pretty much the effect right there. Pretty easy. Just look for your face cam, get the face cam, go over to visual effects, get image mask. That's image mask right here. Put it on the face cam that you want to round out. Go up top, go press in shape, get the shape. You can also download your own shapes as well. Get any shape you want, put it on the timeline, anyone on the timeline. You can even delete it from here and you'll still be good. But do that. Make sure you go back to image mask, press this right here up top, look for the shape, apply clip, and there you have it. With that said, I'm out.